Good morning. In this video, today we study sexual reproduction in human being. In earlier video, we study sexual reproduction in a plants, how they are reproduces and how the seed is formed. In a human being, we already studied about the heredity and the variation that will be take place because of the chromosomes. In heredity and variation, we studied that in men there are XY chromosome. In men, XY chromosomes are there, right? And in female, XX chromosomes are there. In reproductive system, with a specific organs are developed in male and female. Reproductive systems with organs are developed completely. In the body, men and women, due to their sex chromosomes, this specific organ system is present. Now we study in detail about the reproductive system of human being. First, male reproductive system. It consists of testes, various ducts, and the glands. Testes are present where they are present in a scrotum. Scrotum means it is a sac-like part present outside the abdominal cavity. Okay. See in diagram given in your textbook. See, this one is a scrotum, and those are the testes. Pair of testes is present in a male reproductive system. These testes contain germinal epithelium. Testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules. In this, numerous seminiferous tubules are there, and the seminiferous tubules secretes the sperms. Germinal epithelium is present in the tubules. In this tubule, the germinal epithelium presence, those divide by meiosis, and so inside the testes, sperms are produced. These sperms send forward through these tubules. Those there are sequence of those tubules are known as a vas deferens. These tubes are called the vas deferens. It is called the vas deferens. Ejaculatory duct, then it carries to the ejaculatory duct. This one was the ejaculatory duct, and then through the urinogenital duct. As the sperms are pushed forward from one duct to the another duct, they become mature and they are become mature and able to fertilize the ova or the eggs. Seminal vesicle tubules. See, this one seminal vesicle tubules. This seminal vesicle tubules secretes the secretion. That secretion enter into the ejaculatory duct. There, the prostate glands. There is prostate glands and the Copler's gland. Prostate and the Copler's glands are there. These two glands secretes the urinogenital. It secretes the urinogenital. Secrete the secretion in the urinogenital duct. This togetherly form the this together all these same secretions and the sperms are mixed together. This togetherly called as a semen. This is known as a semen. This semen is then ejaculated through the penis. These all organs to the penis. These all organs which is together called as a male reproductive system. Two testes, vas deferens, pair of vas deferens, then ejaculatory duct, urinogenital duct, seminal vesical glands, prostate gland, Copler glands. Okay, and the last organ is the penis. All are contain the male reproductive system. Okay. Then here, second system is the next system is the human reproductive system. In human reproductive system, see, it consists of the pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct, single uterus, and vagina. It is also present in a abdominal cavity of our body. Okay. Um, Beside this, there is a pair of bulbourethral gland. Beside this, there the one gland is a bulb means pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct, single uterus, pair of ovaries, those two are the ovaries, pair of oviduct, uterus, and vagina. With this, there is a bulbourethral gland is present. Every month, the ova from the ovary is released into the abdominal cavity, alternately from each side. 1 month from left side, then another month from the right side. Okay, so every month it releases alternately one eggs, which is stored into the oviduct, and opening present in the oviduct, there it is stored for there it is get mature. Then these oocytes they also enter into oviduct, and then through the cilia it present into the inner surface of the oviduct. This cilia push this ova into the uterus, and there it is kept for a few days. Okay, in this way human reproductive system contains two ovaries, oviduct, uterus, and the vagina. Okay, the next period we will see the gamete formation. See how the gamete is formed. The formation of gamete. Let's see. In a male, sperm, and in female, ovum. These both gametes are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in where it is produced in testes. From their maturation period, from their puberty till the death, means when male become mature, puberty, till their death, the testes in a testis the sperms are produced. While in ovum, while in a female, the ova are eggs from the birth, birth up to 45, up to 45 age, 45 years of female. Up to that period, the egg is produced. There are about 2 to 4 million immature eggs are present in a female. After that 45 age, then the after that age, the menopause stage of age is there. In that stage, the functioning of a reproductive system is stopped. In female, reproductive system function of the reproductive system is stopped. Okay. Here, the sperms are formed by the secretion of testosterone hormones, and ova is formed by the secretion of estrogen hormone. Okay. Okay. In female, this estrogen hormone secretion of estrogen hormone stop, and that is why the menopause stage is occurs in a female after age of 45 years. Later on, when the sperms and the ovumes are formed, then the fusion of sperms and ovum is take place. That is called as a fertilization. In this fertilizations, sperm and the ovum fuse together so that they form the zygote. This process is called as a fertilization. It is internal. Fertilizations in human being is internal. It internally take place. How it will take place? From male, semen is ejaculated through penis in female vagina. And then this semen contains sperms. The semen contains sperms. That sperms then pass into uterus. There already ova is present. With this ova, the sperms are fused, and then the fertilization is completed. From the age of puberty up to the menopause, from puberty to menopause, from the age of that period, means puberty start from 10 to 17 years and menopause in between 45 to 50 years. Every month one ova is released from the ovary, means in that time period approximately 400 oocytes means eggs are released, are produced, are mature, and remaining eggs from the 2 to 4 millions are undergoes degeneration in a female body. Okay. Here, when oocytes and the sperms are fused together, that time see these oocytes is sperms are tried to fertilize or the enter into the ova. Oocyte released from the ovaries during the last few months nearing the age of menopause, up to that is the 40 to 45 years old. So their ability of division has been diminished because it is become the older eggs. Due to this, they cannot complete the mitotic division properly. Okay, so if such eggs is fertilized, the newborn produced in that age of 40 to 45 years may be causing the abnormalities like Down syndromes. Okay, in this way, the fertilization at the time of the 40 to 45 years is or in the menopause is very it is not normal. It is causes many problems. Okay, in female, the male is determined, sex is determined in men or human being. How the sex is determined? See, we know that when fertility takes place, that male from male body, X and Y chromosome is transferred in a female body. That time from female body only X chromosome is produced. So here, what happens in from male X and from male Y, X and Y chromosome, while from female only one type means X chromosome. So with female, which chromosome from male is fused? Suppose from male X chromosome fused with a female X chromosome, then it form the female. But when from male Y chromosome is fused with a female, then it form a male. That means which chromosome of a male is fused with a female chromosome, that male chromosome decide whether it is male or female. The young one is born, it is male or female. That means the sex determination is responsible or depends on the male chromosome only. Okay, in this way, in a reproduction, the sex is determined from the male chromosome. Okay, next video we will study development and birth, menstrual cycle, and the other topics. Thank you so much.